Now that you understand Napoleon Hill's third principle, which is doing affirmations, let's go over how to do them. These are essentially short statements for yourself. I know it can feel a little weird, so at the end of this video, I will offer an alternative, but for now, we're doing affirmations. Why? Because Napoleon Hill says so. So these are short statements to program your subconscious mind. Here's an example of a statement. I am smart. Another example. I am wealthy. And you just repeat and repeat. And your subconscious mind over time will actually follow this and start believing the word me, I am, and the word smart, wealthy, intelligent, confident, healthy, man of action, woman of action. This will start to get imprinted into your subconscious mind and reprogram your mind, and maybe even change what some people call your limiting beliefs. You might think, now I'm not that smart. And this is how you reprogram your mind. I am smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. You just keep repeating it. And eventually you will start feeling yes, I'm smart. Yes, I'm smart. And it will just be a subconscious thing. You won't have to work on it. So here are some tips for doing the affirmations. You want to do them daily. That's the key. Be consistent with it and daily. It's like really programming the mind. Once a day is fine, maybe 2 times a day. How long should you do it? A couple of minutes a day. Pick a quiet time. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. Just like that. I know it's a little strange. That's why it's hard to get to do it. But if you can do it for a while, then it does work. So what's a while? Give yourself a few weeks, 1 month, or a few months. Really depends on how deeply ingrained your limiting belief is. If it's something that's really holding you back and it's really been there for a long time, it will take longer to reprogram. And if it's something that's more on the surface, it will take shorter. So just see how you feel. Are you getting more confident? If you are, move on to the next things. What's the next thing you want to tackle? Okay, maybe you feel yourself, yeah, I'm worth of being wealthy. It's certainly for me. Now, am I healthy? Am I good at something else? The strategy is don't use negative words. For example, if you say, I'll stop being poor, the word poor gets repeated in your mind. Poor, poverty. You don't want that. You want wealth, health, intelligence, action. Whatever you want, the positive version of it, that's the version that you want to keep repeating, not the negative, like I'll stop this. No, I will be this. I am this. Now, if you don't want to be repeating stuff for yourself, there are people who can do this for you, not in as strong of a way, but at least you'll get somewhat of the way there. So you can find communities of like-minded people starting on meetup.com and other local event websites like Eventbrite or whatever the sites are in your area. Just search Google. You'll find people who are interested in the same things you are. If you find people like that, keep them around. And maybe even start your own small group that meets regularly. This might become the beginning of your what's called a mastermind group. This is something we'll talk about later, but it's one of Napoleon Hill's main keys to success, these masterminds. And essentially, it's people who help you along and reinforce all the positivity for you. And of course, you can do this online. There's different Facebook groups for different interests. Of course, be careful online because positivity becomes negativity really quickly on the internet, and internet can be weird like this. But as long as your goal is to find positivity reinforced, and as long as you engage in the positivity and avoid all the negativity, this can help you. And of course, having positive mentors and coaches who specifically work on getting you to leave your limiting beliefs and get you to believe the more positive statements and really program that in you, that can also help as well. So these are the ways to practice affirmations and mimic affirmations in other parts of your life.